This is the pre-lab video for the limonene extraction. Here you'll see all of the equipment that you'll need for today's lab. You'll need a centrifuge tube and cap, a sponge, and some copper wire. You need a pair of tweezers, a scoopula, a spatula, a 250 milliliter plastic graduated cylinder, a box grater, a weigh boat, and some orange peel. The dry ice is stored in the lab for you. Here's a preview of the datasheet template that you should already have made. First thing is to grate the orange peel using the grater. Next is to build the trap by inserting the copper tube and the sponge in. Tare an analytical balance. Record the mass of the empty beaker as shown here on your lab datasheet. Then tare the analytical balance and record the mass of the empty centrifuge tube as shown here. Then record the mass of the tube and the trap. And then pack the orange peel up to about the 10 mil mark, loosely packed. Record the mass of the tube, the trap, and the peel on the analytical balance. And from this, you can calculate the mass of the orange peel. Using the scoopula, put dry ice into the tube and cap it tightly. And then insert the tube in the 250 milliliter plastic graduated cylinder filled with hot water. Here you'll notice that the carbon dioxide is starting to melt. You have the liquid carbon dioxide percolating down the column and collecting in the bottom of the centrifuge tube. And now the liquid carbon dioxide is starting to vaporize. And you can hear the hissing as well as the background noise from the fume hood during this process. And the liquid carbon dioxide volume starts to decrease as it's vaporizing away. And if everything goes smoothly, you should see an orange oil-like substance forming in the bottom of the centrifuge. And you keep this process going until you no longer see any carbon dioxide vaporizing. See here, as the last of the carbon dioxide is removed, the orange oil appears on the tip of the centrifuge tube. And when the process is complete, in other words, when there's no more gas, you can stop and take the test tube, centrifuge tube out of the graduated cylinder. And so now you can see the orange oil. It's hopefully the limonene that's been extracted from the orange tube. So remove the centrifuge tube, Carefully open it away from you to vent any excess pressure. You'll see the orange oil in the bottom. Carefully remove the trap and the orange peel from the centrifuge tube such that you're left with just the tube and the limonene extract. Weigh the mass of the tube and the extract on the analytical balance. Record this number on your two-part form or your lab data sheet, and now you can perform the rest of the lab calculations.